Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Emcimbini guys. Emcimbini. I got cheese. My husband just dropped me now. And at this point, I just arrived. Put people in the kitchen, so now I'm gonna do potatoes. I just don't think I'll be able to vlog in the kitchen because I'm not used to the people. I'm not sure if kuse manzana or kuse tsazo between the two, but then the what is yeah, cheese and I feel good. I feel fine. Yeah, cheese. There is Harvey. He's leaving already. Sana. A person introduces you to friends, then as a back. Oh man, yo, my guys, Chatan, the guys, Nanda. Anyone to cry? Bye. Ihlaza phethe intsha. Sabane gout. Limise. Indole. Lisibindi. Sis. Isibindi nanqathi senkomo kutheni sibomvu naso just like la nyama. Guys. Yonke into my friend. Akangomakoti kaloku sizoqala ngayo. Kaloku mantwana makaphile. Umphekela my friend. Hayibo. Chini.
Nansiwa kolibika.
Andiyazi mama uzova ngosisi andiyazi mna tushini.
Ubuze bantu naba.
So nice. Came to the bedroom guys because I want to show you abantu abangotata. Nabaya. I can show you guys. Wow, there's so many. I think my junior up because otherwise we wouldn't be barely. Ibhinqile uthundibuze ngenyumini soze ngakubizi wena beautiful ibhinqile sana kulomama balapha they're so beautiful namhlanje akasemhlama xa noma xa ibhinqile lesanidla so nice. Is that right? This is nice, I think.
You are lying. So it's
Akumande kitchen, but sesi featured sana now, featured by them men's. Apparently it's a him helping a hair like so that sizohamba. You
Hey girl, come to the level. I have my own brother. I've got.
Oh, and I have this brother.
Brother.
I have a brother, apparently.
Move.
Kumnandi kulelali sana. Kumnandi kutsaza, like it's nice. Udala kwabetha no 5 but there's still sun. There's sun Nadia. Uhle man. The couple of the day. Currently kuncediswa yena ke sana so that kuzohanjwa yebo kumnandi man lili kumnandi man kumnandi emzini wetshomi yam. Ooh, guys, let's end the day. The time now is past 9 and we've been sitting here, having fun. We cleaned those things, are clean, all of them are clean. Cooked ulusu is ready for tomorrow and we are done. Cheers to that. See you tomorrow, bye. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am So today it's day 2 of Emcimbini. So we are going there. We just left our own place, so to let down and buy a few things. I think so 7 sparks only because it's 8 now and I feel like I'm already late because see you when I get to town. I'm a business lady, so I have jeans here. The jeans like I will deliver them into 2 shops. So as in 3, so I will just deliver them and I just called my people. But I'll start up and then straight to Etzazo. To Kutzazo, yes. Hi, Mama. Pilile. David. I got the spoons. Where are the toothpicks? Oh, I got the toothpicks also. So, yeah. That's what I got. Hope you're fine. It's fine. Let's get in there. Hey guys, it's tea time. So you know what to do. Zakamas. Tea time. We're doing breakfast already. Abantu are here, like everyone is here. Kuxhaxha inkomo, and then they're gonna cook. Abantu baphandle. Manje kumntana sending ndisesetini as usual. So let me take it there. Ndiyokwenza it.
Bangomso oh bafuna babantwana bethu yayiveyo jonga nalo yo abayilook yamntwana
Chamvuli kula box yethu. This is our own. This is the Makotis. There are different types of Makoti, bana. There are different types of Makoti. Done washing dishes. The girls are drinking. The mothers. So Emcimbini, I feel like uphelile because siphekile, saphaka, satyisa, senziti, saphungisa. Now it's drink time, and I'm not willing to take anything anytime soon. Like so yeah, I'm just gonna take a rest. Otherwise, I think these whoa guys, if there is something in the woo! But this is it.